imefika, vijana kupewa 1,000, 2,000, hata hawajafikishiwa 3,000.
All right. Meanwhile, and still on that beat, we have our very own Ken Gashohe, who is in Ol Kalou in Nyandarua County. Good afternoon, Ken. There have been allegations of voter bribery and intimidations. This is the final stretch as we head towards that by-election scheduled for next Thursday. What can you tell us from your end?
Thank you. Indeed, it's just 5 days to the by-election that will be taking here in place here in Ol Kalou, Nyandarua County, and the campaigns have gone to the fever pitch, and the people are here expecting that the election shall be taking place peacefully. And at the moment, we are in Ruri area of Ol Kalou constituency, and with me here is one of the candidates. Starting with your name, tukianza na jina lako, tueleze chama unachosimama nacho na pengine ukiwania kiti hiki lengo lako ni lipi kwa watu wa Ol Kalou?
Kwa jina langu ni Ol Kalou Kariuki kutoka hapa Mwereri Kaibaga Ward, na lengo langu ni kuhakikisha sisi vijana ambao tulienda parliament tumefika pale parliament through njia ya demokrasia. Na njia ya demokrasia tukifika pale ni kuhakikisha vile vitu ambazo zilisababisha tuende tukaandamane zimebadilika, because we believe we can have equal opportunity all of us. Si lazima ujue mtu ndo usaidiwe kitu fulani. Tunafaa kuwa sisi wote wananchi, we are all equal before the eyes of God. Kwa hivyo mimi nikienda pale bunge nitahakikisha kwamba, na nitajaribu kila niwezavyo kuhakikisha tumepitisha bill ya kwanza, kuhakikisha tuko na health insurance cover equal for all of us. Wakazi wa hapa ni wakulima wa maziwa, at least wapewe 50% of the shelf price ya maziwa. Haiwezekani unauza maziwa shilingi 40, alafu ukienda kwa soko maziwa yenyewe iko shilingi 120. It doesn't make sense. Hiyo si biashara, ni ukora. Mwana mkulima asipewe 50%. Inawezekana, but due to the cartels that we are having in the system, it might be hard, but we are going to try our best.
Thank you very much. Maybe I can engage one of the leaders who is accompanying the candidate, Mr. Caleb Hamisi. Maybe tell us, how has the campaign been, and maybe what do you expect in the coming few days before the campaigns have been closed?
I started the campaign this morning. I've just arrived to Ol Kalou this morning, and I came because of the cry of this Gen Z. He was left alone. Everybody's coming with big wigs and is walking alone. The only big wigs he had was a donkey. That is the big wig was campaigning for him. And I said it is good because I've been there. I've started my campaign using a boda, using a bicycle. I can feel him. He has a determination to help his people. He has a determination to go to parliament the right way. Remember, they have been going to parliament forcefully, but now he has a chance to go to parliament using the right door. We want to give a young man to go to parliament. Ndio zile demonstration anafanya huku nje wafanyie ndani ya bunge. We want to see demonstration inside the parliament. We want to see them impeaching a president. We want to see them impeaching a minister. We want to see him impeaching any officer who is not doing. The greatest the panacea we have to the democratic space in this country is parliament. If we correct parliament, we correct the evils of this country. We are focusing on the president. Hata tukiwa na rais mzuri na bunge imeharibika, huyo rais hakuna kitu atafanya. Every mistake must be corrected in the county assembly and then parliament. Parliament can impeach a president. County assembly can impeach a governor. Every correction you want to make in the country, it starts with parliament. Na tunasema tuanze kupeleka watu wapya. Ana madoadoa, ajaiba hata mbuzi ya mtu, tuingie. Tusikizoe wale wazee wameiba paka mashamba za watu ndio wanakuja kwa parliament. Wakiona pesa wamezoea kuiba. But huyu hakuna kitu ameiba. Wacha tuanze kuweka watu wapya. Let Ol Kalou start squaring. Let Ol Kalou start now clearing parliament. Clearing. Iweke sasa alama ya kwamba next election tumeshaonyesha bendera ya kufagia parliament iende nyumbani. Na wanaanza na watu wapya kama hawa. Wakimaliza huyu Timothy, na waomba next general election mtuletee watu wapya. So that hata kama huyu William Ruto atapitia mlango ya nyuma, itapata watu 250 kama Timothy wanamngojea kumimpeach. Parliament is the solution to our problems.
Thank you very much. Indeed, those are the sentiments of Saboti MP Caleb Amisi accompanying the candidate for the People's Renaissance Party, which has been conducting a meeting here in Ol Kalou, and they are heading to other venues for more public engagements. We have a total of 9 candidates who are vying for this seat that was left vacant earlier this year by the late David Kiaraho. And this is a campaign that we shall be following up to the last day and even after the votes have been cast. Back to you in studio.
All right, thank you so much, Ken. Our very own Ken Gashohi there in Ol Kalou, giving us a bit of what exactly is happening. Remember, the